Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I want to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp. So to lock any chat on WhatsApp on your iPhone, it's very simple to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to log into your WhatsApp. So once you log into your WhatsApp, the next thing to do is to look for the chat you want to lock. So let's say we want to lock this particular chat. So what you have to do is this. You want to tap and hold on the chat you want to lock. So let's say we want to lock this chat now. Just tap and hold on it and it will pop up something for me. Once it pops up, if you check the bottom left here, you're going to see where it says lock chat. So I want you to tap on that lock chat. So once you tap on that lock chat, the chat will be locked successfully. So how do you access your locked chat on WhatsApp? To access your locked chat, you just want to swipe up, swipe down, swipe down. So once you swipe down, once you scroll down rather, you want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you check the top, you are going to see where it says locked chats. So to access your locked chat, you just want to tap on that locked chat and your chat will be opened successfully. So guys, this is how to actually lock chats on WhatsApp and how to find the chats on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.